Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the Dress to Impress school, I guess, on free play. So you're just going to go here and you're just going to walk to the runway area. I know the map's a little bit confusing right now because it's been changed, obviously. You're just going to walk to the recording studio, and on the very right, you'll be able to see that they have a school now. It's called Diva High School, where every hallway is a runway. And there's like Diva High Spirit Week, Monday Class Colors, Tuesday College Day, Wednesday Baggy, Thursday Whiteout, and Friday School Spirit. And if you walk here, you can kind of, well, like sit in class here. You can like really make cute videos here. You can also sit here to be the teacher like that. Welcome to class. There's only one in class, but it's cute. And there's this one, which is the bathroom, as you can see. But yeah, that is how you can go to the Dress to Impress school. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.